Okay, so we're done with the scrapbook project. Woohoo! I know that makes some of you really happy. I moved the earth science section up to the top again, so if you're looking for the scrapbook project, just scroll down. It's underneath there. This next set of work has to do with relative dating. All right, superposition. You defined superposition already. It's the principle or idea that older rock layers are underneath newer rock layers. It just makes sense. It's newer over older is the catchphrase that goes along with it. So as sediment is laid down, the older sediment is pushed to the bottom and newer sediment is laid on top. Makes sense. I have given you a couple examples of what that would be like. I think on a vocab quiz I said a recycling bin. If you think about it, you take your newspapers and you're recycling them. Every day you throw the newspapers into the recycling bin. Well, the oldest ones are going to be at the bottom and the youngest ones are going to be at the top. So now you're going to come up with your own example of superposition. I've attached this document to an assignment called Superposition Example, and we're taking it one piece at a time. So first is just this top example. Do not try and go underneath and do everything else. Start with superposition. I've given you my example here. My laundry basket is like superposition because the oldest laundry is at the bottom and the youngest laundry is at the top. It makes sense. As I change and I throw my laundry into the laundry basket, the oldest stuff is going to be at the bottom, and then the newest and youngest stuff is going to end up being at the top. That's it. You need to go underneath here and type in your example of something that's like superposition. The sentence should be set up in the same way. Blank is like superposition because, and you should have whatever's oldest is at the bottom and whatever is youngest is at the top. Use something that's not earth science related. So think of something else that is like superposition. Laundry, and then I used recycling. You cannot use those two examples. So we're starting here. You just go right underneath my example and you type it. Don't worry about anything else underneath here. That'll come later.